So today I'm talking about a P0328 code, what it is and how you go about fixing it. So what is a P0328 code? Well, it's a NOx sensor 1, circuit high input, bank 1, or single sensor. And what does this mean? Well, the onboard computer's seeing a problem with the NOx sensor, mainly inside of the circuit, so it's going to have to be troubleshooted on why. And what is the NOx sensor? Well, the NOx sensor detects vibrations that come from a knock or irregularity in combustion and sends a signal to the engine control computer, which then adjusts the timing to correct the knock. So basically all the cylinders need to fire at the right time, and if they don't fire at the right time, then there could be a knocking or a vibration. And so the NOx sensor detects this, sends a signal back to the onboard computer, which then adjusts the timing until the knock or the vibration goes away. And what are some possible causes of a P0328 code? Well, it could be a bad NOx sensor, could be in the wiring, and possibly a bad ECM. And so the first thing to do when you get this code is to go locate the sensor or sensors on your particular vehicle, since there can be some differences and there can be multiple sensors. So it's always a good idea to go get a diagram that lays out where all the sensors are located on your particular vehicle. For example, here's a 2003 Honda Accord with a 2.4 liter engine, and the NOx sensor will be located right in the front of it. Here's another example of a 2005 Chevy Silverado with a 5.3 liter, and there's two NOx sensors on this engine. They're located up and underneath the intake manifold, so you got to take that off. And underneath these little rubber seals right here is the NOx sensors. You take these off and the NOx sensors will be located right inside of there. And so after you locate the NOx sensor, next thing to do, check out the wiring real good. Be sure there's no open, short, anything like this. Basically just be aware anything wrong with the wiring is going to cause the same symptoms as a bad sensor. But if the wiring looks good, then very likely that sensor has failed and just needs to be replaced. You can't test it if you want to. It's fairly easy to test these with the multimeter. You basically check them for continuity. There's some good YouTube videos on that if you want to see how to go about testing them. But basically at this point you want to test or replace that NOx sensor. And one thing to mention, although not too common, is that if you check the wiring out real good and there's no issues and you test or replace that NOx sensor, then it is possible that there's an issue with the onboard computer. Now this isn't very common, this is fairly rare, but once in a while these onboard computers can fail. There's different ways you go about testing it, and definitely go back and double check that wiring and double check that NOx sensor, since it is rare if one of these ECMs fail. But if you check everything else out and it all tests good, then you might want to check out your onboard computer. And so that's basically it. I just want to give an overview of how you go about fixing a P0328 code. If you have anything to add, please comment down below. If you have any questions, ask me and I'll try to answer them. If this video helps you, please click like, please click subscribe, and have a good day.